Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in case you're new here, my name's Mary, and here on YouTube I like to share many of the projects I have going on around here with you all. I love Valentine's Day, and I thought how fun would that be to add a few touches here and there throughout our house and share it with you guys. And this won't be anything fancy. I'm just going to use, simple things that I already have on hand. So let's get right into it. For the mantle, I plan to keep things really simple. I like to see a grouping of, mirrors and frames. I've done this before, but I plan to actually use the mirror that I had over the winter season. This gold one, I kind of like the character of it. I'm going to use a few other pieces, another mirror and some frames to go with it. I have some artificial greenery that I plan to fix a bouquet with. I know it's always, prettier with real flowers, but it's so nice then to have the fake ones because they don't, dry out and they last a lot longer, of course. And all of this greenery is not expensive, and I'll try to link it down below in the description box. I believe the flowers at least are from Amazon. And possibly even the eucalyptus. If I can find it, I'll share that link. But I think it actually looks pretty good, this greenery. Two of the frames I want to add some images to. For the smaller frame, I created a design with I love you and printed that out, cut it down to the right size, put it in that frame. And then for the other frame, I actually plan to add an old picture of our family, and I feel like it almost looks vintage. It's that long ago, but we definitely all look younger, including Twinkle. I want to add a few large heart-shaped pillows to our living room. I have this really pretty pink fabric that I want to use. It's just nice and soft, kind of a knit fabric. And first I want to make a pattern here, just using some old gift wrap to do this. I know earlier I had mentioned these projects are all very doable, just using things you have on hand, but I guess here I'm going to be using my sewing machine. I realize not everyone has a sewing machine, so instead of, sewing, you could always glue your edges. I know people do that sometimes. And in case you don't want to go out and actually buy fabric to make your own little pillow with, you can always use, shirts or blankets or towels, just something you have on hand that you might not use anymore that has a pretty design. I've done that in the past. So for this pillow, I'll put my right sides of the fabric together and then sew all around the edges, leaving a space open so I can put my stuffing in. Some couch cushions here that I have had around here for years, and I don't think I ever used them. They came with a sofa that we once purchased, and I think I'm going to try to use the stuffing that is inside these pillows for my hearts. I know you guys like to see bird clips, but it's almost distracting outside the window here. It's just so pretty to watch the birds. We have lots of white-throated and white-crowned sparrows, along with, cardinals, chickadees, occasional junco, titmouse, just to name a few. So pretty. I feel like my heart shape could be improved here. I'm sure if you guys were to make a heart pillow like this, you could probably do a better job of it. But next time I try to really scope that out. I mean, this will work. It's not, you can tell it's a heart, but it's not quite as cute as I wanted it to be. To finish them off, I'll just be sewing over the opening. I could do a fancy, hand stitch where you wouldn't even see anything, but just for these pillows, I think it'll be fine to just sew over the top. I didn't get a video of me doing this, but later on I ended up doing a hand stitch at the center, like the top center part of the heart, kind of drawing or pulling that upper part together. I thought it just made for a cuter heart shape. Since I have my sewing machine down here anyway, I'm going to make some more smaller hearts. And if you're not quite ready to get rid of, all your winter decorations, I always like to see a few little trees around here. I'm going to go ahead and hang these hearts on this tree. I think it will look cute. And then I have a Valentine's Day sign that I'm going to hang above it. I want to add a Valentine's Day touch to our table as well. I always like to see something under glass, and I have this large vase that I'm going to turn upside down. I designed this vintage Valentine's Day card on Canva, printed that out. I'm going to put that in here along with some flowers and add a few stuffed hearts, and I have some more flowers and dried roses that I'll add. I have a lid from another glass container I like to place on the top of this vase. That way it looks more like a cloche. I hope you enjoyed following along as I worked on these fun projects and are maybe inspired to, add some touches in your home as well. It's amazing how much cheer that brings into a room. I did get around to making some Valentine's Day soap, not as much as I wanted to, but I have some that I want to show you. I think it turned out really pretty and it smells so good. We also have some Valentine's Day candles, and these are adorable candles in a jar with the wooden lid and the pretty design engraved on top. And this is the Love Spell scent. And if you're familiar with that scent, you know it smells amazing, kind of romantic, just very fitting for Valentine's Day. I don't have a lot of these, so make sure to head on over to the website and check that out. We have a few more of these cute little heart banners left over. And one of our biggest hits during the Valentine's Day season are these cute little wooden conversation hearts. We have those again this year. So if you're looking for something like this, make sure to head on over to the website and the Etsy shop if you want to check it out. As always, I hope your day is going great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.